debating whether to just buy that now, Mum. Here's stress and he's going to need one of these. Is that what you want, Miley? Welcome back to Narnia. So just went to TK Maxx, the land of dreams. Or as I like to call it, you don't need it. It is bitterly cold, I swear. It was just snowing, like there was like a wee bit of heavy rain there. But, like I swear it was snow. It looked like snow when I was on the bus. Probably wasn't snow. But it's better be apparently like the snowiest year yet, like insane wild snow or something, like deep and heavy snow, or so I've heard, and I swear I just seen the beginning of it. Flattering. Hello. Imagine you sneezed.
No.
Have you been enjoying them?
Yes, I'm great.
Really? Do you sit and watch them back?
Eh?
Do you sit and watch them back?
I watch them.
And you watch them every morning because I hear you in the toilet?
Right, enough film. You have no makeup on.
It's too yours. Top class telly to print time.
Lucy, if you made a bike, yeah, and if you really want to.
Okay, so the vlog today probably will not be very long. Sundays are never that fun. I'm so exhausted. I'm just home from work. It is 20 past 11. So I'm gonna edit. That doesn't take me too long, and considering this one's going to be short and there's not a lot of footage, it shouldn't take me too long. I'll give myself the half an hour. Then maybe no, and then definitely head straight to bed. Sunday's, you know, hit or miss, isn't it? Lazy day, busy day, boring day. There's 3 types of Sundays. Mine was boring and busy. Wish I was lazy. It was not, but for somebody. Yeah, you. Easy for some. Okay, oh, before I go, thanks so much. I'm over halfway on my donations. That's insane. I'm not sure if I'll up the total or just tell you to keep going. Either way, I'm halfway there. For the first total, we'll say that's insane. That's so crazy. I'm so grateful for every single donation. I see all your messages. I love it so much. Thanks everyone's support. Like, thanks so much. I get comments on all the videos. I love that because I want to know that you're enjoying it. Love is fantastic. I'm so glad everybody's enjoying them. I know they're a bit random, but it's my daily life and I'm not lying about anything. And there's nothing I'm trying not to miss. So again, really hope that they are good for everyone. Night night.